Hello students, I Geeta Agarwal welcome you to the social study class. Today I will teach you History Chapter 1, History and its Importance. In this we will study what is colonialism, sources of information in history, importance of surveys, drawback of official records. So, what is colonization? Do you know that India was once a colony? The British came to India as traders, means that they came to India to do business. But gradually, they established control over our economy and our society. They started making huge profits from the business, and in this way, they started ruling us. These political, economic, social, and cultural changes brought about by the subjugation of one country by another is called colonization. Now, so it is clear to all of you what colonialism means. Now, what are the sources that give us information about Indian history? There are two sources, primary source and the secondary source. Primary source include documents, artifacts, letters, diaries and photographs. To keep these important records, British built museums, archives and libraries. Initially, these documents were written by calligraphists. Now, who are calligraphists? Calligraphists are skilled workers known for beautiful handwriting. Now, I will tell you about secondary sources. They are second-hand information like journalist articles, books and journals. Now I will tell you about why surveys became very important during the time of British. Around the 19th century, surveys were undertaken to map the entire country. They were carried out to assess revenue pattern of cropping, flora, fauna and topography. Some of the surveys conducted were, example, botanical survey, forest survey and zoological survey. No doubt these surveys give us good information, but they don't tell us much about the lives of people. Students, I hope you all have understood the chapter well. Now go through it once again, and I am giving you this activity. Please do it. Thank you.